Most of the French learners never use this tense, but they should. So this tense is le conditionnel or the conditional. The conditional is used to make polite request. The conditional softens your sentence and it makes you sound more fluent in French. For example, instead of saying je veux un café, which is too direct and might appear rude to some people, you can say je voudrais un café. Tu peux m'aider? It becomes tu pourrais m'aider? And donne-moi ça. Instead of saying this, say je voudrais ça, s'il vous plaît. So this not only softens your sentence but also makes you sound more fluent in French. So same sentence, different impact, but now you know the difference to use them correctly. Follow me for more such short and informative videos that make a huge difference in your language learning journey or war.